Did you know that eye injuries are one of the most common workplace injuries? Let's talk about the importance of safety glasses. Safety glasses are crucial in protecting your eyes from external hazards. They shield against chemicals, dust, smoke, flying particles, and other potential dangers. It's essential to wear safety glasses correctly and ensure a proper fit. This prevents any gaps that could allow hazardous materials to enter the eyes. Cleaning and maintaining glasses are necessary to prolong their effectiveness. Storing your safety glasses well means prolonging their protective effect. Not wearing safety glasses when needed can lead to serious eye injuries. Without proper eye protection, long-term effects like permanent vision loss, blurred vision, chronic pain, and increased risk of conditions like cataracts or glaucoma highlight the critical need for safety glasses in hazardous environments. Maintaining eye health is crucial, and safety glasses play a vital role in achieving this. Stress the necessity of correct usage and care of safety glasses in both professional and daily environments. For more safety tips, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.